Welcome to Athena's OWL, the app that connects learning communities through user-created content, lessons, and courses. Using Athena's OWL, students in similar learning contexts will learn from one another by creating their own lessons. You are both the student and the teacher. The app is free to use as long as you contribute to your learning community. The intended audience for this app are high school, college, or university students. The first page of the application will be the learner survey. This survey has three main purposes. The first is to do a learner assessment, and then the next is to establish community learning needs and interests, and the third is metacognition on how you learn best. The next two slides will be the dashboard and the create lesson slide. The dashboard allows the student to see what learning communities they are a part of, determine what the specific community needs and interests are, and the number of lessons taught and created. The create lesson slide will be fairly self-explanatory. It's where students will be able to create lessons that are based on video, audio, or text, create assignments, as well as a message board to communicate with other learners. Participation is required, so you must both create and participate in student classes. Here we have the learner survey, which is used to connect students in the similar or same learning context based by school, university, grade, or class. It's also used to determine academic interests, strengths, and weaknesses of both the learner and their community. And it's used to try and match students with similar learning styles based on how you learn best, either through audio, visual, or written means. This next slide shows the dashboard, which is broken up into two parts. This part on the left here shows the number of classes taught versus number of classes taken, so you make sure that you're participating, and it shows what networks you're a part of based on university, class, school, or grade. The slide on the right shows your specific community's interests and needs. An example here would be instructional design, and an even more specific example, minimalist design. The final slide here is the create a lesson slide. Here students will be able to create lessons based on subject and type, meaning audio, visual, or text lessons. They will also be able to create assignments to bolster their lessons, and there will also be a message board where students can connect with other students to get clarification on assignments or to request feedback or request more information on a specific class. Athena's OWL. Everyone has knowledge, and anyone can learn.